ating kanina mix. Nawala LPU. Ang ating opisyalis ngayong araw. Referee is number 23, Alan Barria.
Run of Mapua Cardinals really started from that magnificent 10 nung kanilang start nung second round.
A fresh 14 because of that FIBA rule to make the game quicker. Ilista mo na!
Biniled ang San Beda Red Lions, so it's really important to them. Sabi nga ni Coach Adler kanina, the system is there pero wag lang magpapapaya. Pwedeng pumutok si Biting, pwedeng tumira sa tres. Asa Branya will get this fast break layup. Stephen Q kaya rin tumira from all cylinders and really a nightmare for the side.
Salamat po sa panunod mga kapamilya. At kasama din po namin si Siege Santenko at courtside. Sinimulan
ni Coach Tomax.
They shot 61% from the field.
Wow.
LPU 39% lang. 2 minutes. Maraming salamat kay Direk Alneri.
And he now has 13 rebounds. Itong si Olwell, even though hindi siya masyadong gumagawa, he's letting his teammates score. Ito nga si Olwell.
Otep, ang pinagmamalaki ng Taytay Rizal. Tumuloy-tuloy si CJ Isits. Balikan tayo dito. That was Isits' first 2 points in this game.
Ano, ng 3 points. Ito nga si Otep.
Yeles, the stop, the pop is good. Dahil of that finger injury, seems to be fine. Malabanan, the spin, the floater. Who only sees action 10 minutes per game in 11 games played this season. Ilista mo na!
Still going aggressive and very efficient mula sa field. 8 out of 9 para kay Gabay.
Outside shot is good. Justin Serrano.
Wala, really no problem para sa Mapua kahit wala si Oraime, Justin Serrano, Mark Branya providing points para sa Mapua. Ito na nga si Menina with a fast break layup.
On ABS-CBN Sports in Action at high definition sa Balls HD, channel 167 on Sky Cable. And coincidentally, ang kanilang dating strength and conditioning coach ay kasamahan natin dito, si Martin Antonio.
Mira, hindi lang sa tres, kundi sa perimeter air din, and Serrano making a living doon sa kanyang sweet spots.
Gabayni is on Branya, 3 to shoot. Isit, where is the sequence going? And what a bailout! That is our final score, 70 for the Mapua Institute of Technology Cardinals, 66 para sa Lyceum of the Philippines University Pirates.